Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Accessibility because guided access lives there. This locks the device to one app. Turn guided access on now, then set a passcode or allow Face ID so others can't exit. Make sure you enable the accessibility shortcut, which lets you triple-click the side button fast. Once done, you'll be ready to launch Bgmi and engage guided access immediately. This prevents accidental app switching and keeps controls limited while you play. With Bgmi open, triple-click the side or home button to start guided access. You'll see options that control the session. Circle any on-screen areas you want disabled, for example chat buttons or purchase icons, because that prevents accidental taps. Tap options to disable sleep/wake, volume buttons, or touch. You can also set a time limit. Once configured, tap Start. Now Bgmi runs in a locked mode where only allowed controls respond, so your play stays uninterrupted and secure. To finish, triple-click the side or home button, authenticate with your guided access passcode or biometrics, then tap End. This restores normal phone behavior. If guided access won't exit, force restart the iPhone first. That usually clears a hang, and as a last resort use Find My to erase the device. If controls remain unresponsive next time, revisit settings right arrow accessibility, right arrow guided access, and reset options. Make sure app-specific gestures or motion settings aren't conflicting with Bgmi controls.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.